So let's go ahead and create a actual Kotlin simple calculator. To do that, you'll open IntelliJ. You'll click Create New Project. You're going to want to select Kotlin from the left-hand side, then JVM idea. You want to give it a name. You want to say Simple Calculator. You can leave these default settings enabled. We're going to hit Finish. This is going to go ahead and create a new project for us. On the left-hand side, if the project window is not open, go ahead and click the project window to open it, the Project Explorer. Inside of SRC, we're just going to create a new file. So you can right-click or Command-M. So right-click, New, Kotlin file class. We're going to call it main.kt. Now it's an empty file here. Now at this point in time, we need to go ahead and fill this out. So we can say fun main. That's going to be the main function. Open and close. And now we have a main function. Now typically a main function will have some type of parameters that can be passed to it from a command line. So that's going to be var arg string, which means that there could be many variable amount of arguments that are passed in. It's been basically grayed out because they're not used right now. So then at this point in time, we're ready to start building our application. And the first thing we can do is provide some type of basic output, and we'll say, please enter an arithmetic problem. And if we save this and then we click this little run button now and hit run main KT, we'll notice it's going to build down here, and then down at the bottom, the run window will open and it'll say, please enter an arithmetic problem. And at this point in time, you've actually created your first Kotlin program, though all it does really is write some text to a console and exit. And we can see that the program has exited. So basically, the execution of the program started the main function, it printed this, had nothing left to do, and it exited. So that is the beginning of our application.